We live in a community rich in diversity, people of different races, people with various physical abilities or challenges, women taking on roles that have traditionally been reserved exclusively for men, and men breaking into roles that years ago were just for women. So making sure all who may need legal assistance from the city get the most fair representation, Bryan Scott made it his goal to reflect our diverse population when he was appointed to head up the city attorney's office about 2 years ago, a time when the office was not as diverse.
I was the only attorney of color, and so it was important to me to make the office more diverse, and we had no women in the civil division. I wanted to make sure that we were inclusive of the community and we resembled the community.
One of the first things he did was seek to hire highly qualified attorneys and staff from all segments of the population.
It's not only African Americans, Caucasians, Hispanics, people of Asian descent, but it's also LGBTQ folks as well as people of different disabilities. And it really is an inclusive office, and that's what I wanted it to be, an inclusive office.
He then required the staff to participate in what is called D.E.I. training provided by the city.
And so we've been working now for several months on diversity, equity, and inclusion training, bias reduction, and things of that nature. Because again, in the court system, there can be such a stigma of bias in the court system. And we wanted to make sure that our groups went through first in order to get that training early.
And lo and behold, in his 2 short years of running this office, his efforts have not gone unnoticed. The city attorney's office has just been recognized for making incredible strides in diversification.
We received a word from Angela Cook, who's the president of the Las Vegas chapter of the National Bar Association, that our office is being selected as Law Firm of the Year for our diversity, equity, and inclusion efforts.
The award is special on many levels. First of all, he says it is highly unusual for a government agency to receive this award. Secondly, although the accolades are appreciated, his motivation was driven by a desire to simply do the right thing.
And that's the one thing I want to reflect to people as well. It's not just about getting diversity numbers. It's not a quota. It's nothing like that. But to get well-qualified attorneys who are well-versed in the law and have them in this office. And I think we've done a really great job of doing that in such a short time.
The city attorney's office is made up of 60 staff members. The criminal and civil divisions have 25 attorneys in all. There are witness victim advocates, investigators, and legal technicians. He wanted the entire team to reflect our city's population, and in 2 years, through DEI training and strategic hiring, he believes he has put the department on the right track for the future.
Whoever takes over after I leave, they'll run the office that they want, but I wanted to at least give the office a nice head start on diversity and equity and inclusion, so that maybe this will become part of our DNA and that we will then carry this mission forward. Everyone sees color. Sure. I mean, everyone sees color, but it's just how you make sure to treat those people equally, and that the fact that you treat them with respect. And I think that's overall what people want is respect.